These are the elevators at the brand new, newly built bridge on Forbes Apartments in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are brand new Schindler 5500 elevators with linear 100 fixtures. And that's my first time seeing that lantern. Go up to 10. Here we go up. These are brand new. This building just opened. We'll end it down at 2. I didn't start on 1 or 2 because you need a key card to call it from those floors. Here's your 88 phone. I'm gonna get off on 2. Basic padded cab. Nice carpeting. Didn't think I would be able to ride this. Alarm button's a bit brighter, that's interesting. Back at 2. There goes this, and that's gonna be it.